Welcome back to another episode of Dr. Tastes Good Barbecue. What I have for you today. Today we're doing up some short ribs over on the Blackstone Griddle using the Bachan's hot and spicy. Enjoy. So I'm trying out something new today. So I have this hot and spicy Japanese barbecue sauce from Bachan's. You may have seen my video where I did their original barbecue sauce that I just love to death. So excited to try these. One of my favorite things to cook over the Blackstone is these short ribs. Seems like a match made in heaven. So we'll get into the prep, just fast forward through that really quick, throw them on the grill, probably even fast forward through that, and we'll come back for that taster. Okay, so simple prep, get those prepped up in a Ziploc bag into the fridge. So we'll put them in for a couple hours. Get this a little bit off the top. There's a little bit of heat, but I'm really, I guess, heat sensitive. So it's not over the top, but great flavor to it. Got a little sweet. So we'll cook them and come back for the official taster. So you're probably saying, hey dummy, you're filming a vertical. Why yes I am. I want to do a reel and a short too this time. Here we go. So spraying down the non-stick griddle spray. Been loving this stuff. And we'll get you a little sizzle. And we'll fire right into it. Fast forward. So I'm cooking on low. See these guys? Taking them right out of the package. And that's the reason I'm cooking on low. So I don't want to burn the sauce, but I do want to give it a little char. So let's fire through these. Okay, let's wrap this up. So just to recap super quick, we took our short ribs, put them in some plastic, added the Bachan's hot and spicy Japanese barbecue sauce. Again, I've loved the original. Cooked them on low. Didn't get any char this time, which is kind of new, but they're, you know, well past 130, 140. Let's dive in. A little more, just make sure. That all over my face. They call it hot and spicy. There is some spice to it. Kind of at the end. Again, I'm a pretty wimpy as far as spicy goes. So those of you who are looking for something like bam, like knock your socks off, this isn't it. But it's very flavorful. And for, you know, wimps like me who don't like the hot and spicy, it's probably perfect. So, if you liked the video, make sure you hit that like, open the subscribe icon for you. Right there. Some more Blackstone videos right about there. Hey, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.